Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by freeing resources. Immediately close heavy background apps and pause Cloud Sync so CPU and disk aren't contested. Next, switch your recorder to a hardware encoder like NVENC or QuickSync because that offloads work to the GPU and reduces frame drops. Also set a moderate frame rate, 30 or 60 FPS depending on content, and lower capture resolution to 720p to cut encoding load. Once done, you'll see CPU usage drop and smoother recording behavior. Now optimize the recorder. Choose CBR with a reasonable bitrate so the encoder maintains steady output and avoids spikes that cause lag. Make sure you capture the game or application window directly instead of full display capture, because that reduces GPU compositing work. Set the encoder preset one step faster if lag persists, and direct recordings to an SSD or a separate physical drive with at least 1 to 2 gigabytes per second write capability. These changes finish by capping frame rates in-game or enabling VSync so the GPU isn't overloaded, and make sure your recorder has priority for the chosen encoder. Monitor CPU, GPU, and disk in Task Manager while recording to catch spikes, then end tasks for processes causing the load. If lag continues, update your graphics and encoder drivers, reset recording settings to defaults, and run a short test with a lower bitrate and resolution. If that fixes it, gradually raise quality until you find the stable sweet spot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.